Welcome to Custom Vantage Office Training. In this video, I'm going to show you the new features of our improved search windows. So as you know, no matter where you click any of these customers, vendors, invoices, orders, etc., we're going to pop a search window so that you can find what it is you're looking for. Well, you're going to notice in version 14 that we've added this new little icon here. And this new icon gives you a great deal more flexibility. So instead of just typing here and finding something that contains a word or begins with a word, we can click on the little button and we can choose. It's equal to, it doesn't equal, contains, is like, is not like, begins with. So you have far more variety in the way that you can find something, which makes life much easier. So for example, if I were to say equals medical, I have nothing. But if I were to say contains medical, I've got a company that has medical within it. If I were to find a company does not contain medical, then I'm going to find all of the customers with the exception of the one that has medical in it. So very simple, very straightforward. Just wanted you to know what this new little icon was. Thank you again for choosing Custom Vantage Office.